In today's video, I'll show you how to add a full-width image in Pagefly to make your Shopify pages more visually engaging. Start by opening your web browser and going to the Shopify website. Log into your Shopify account, then open the Pagefly editor for the page you want to edit. Inside the Pagefly editor, begin by creating a new section. Click on Sections and choose to create a blank section. This section will be used to hold your full-width image. Once the section is added, look to the right sidebar and open the layout settings. Set the content width to full width or max width. This step is important because it allows the image to stretch across the entire screen. Next, click on Add Element and go to the Layout category. Drag a blank block into your new section to create space for the image. Now, open the Elements panel again and switch to the Pagefly tab. Under the Media options, find the image element and drag it into the blank section. Click on the image element to open its settings. In the Content panel, upload the image you want to use. After uploading, move to the Style settings and set the width option to fill so the image spans the full width of the page. Once everything looks good, save and publish your page. That's it. You've successfully added a full-width image in Pagefly, giving your Shopify page a clean and professional look. Thanks for watching and happy designing.